Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich protein. First, gather your ingredients, including eggs, your favorite bread, and any protein boosters you plan to add. Next, cook your eggs just the way you like them, whether that's scrambled, fried, or even a quick omelet. While your eggs are cooking, toast your bread to achieve that perfect golden crispness. This simple start sets the stage for a delicious and satisfying meal. To significantly boost your sandwich's protein content, consider adding lean meats. Options like turkey bacon, thinly sliced ham, or even a bit of grilled chicken work wonderfully. For an extra layer of flavor and some healthy fats, spread hummus or a slice of your favorite cheese. Don't forget to include fresh vegetables such as spinach, sliced tomatoes, or creamy avocado for added nutrients and a refreshing crunch. These additions make your sandwich more wholesome. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully place your cooked eggs onto one slice of toasted bread. Then, layer on any additional protein like your turkey bacon or ham, followed by your chosen cheese or spread. Finish with your fresh vegetables and any condiments you enjoy, such as hot sauce or a light mayo. Finally, top with the second slice of toast. Feel free to experiment with different breads or even a wrap for variety. For ultimate convenience, try meal prepping your eggs at the beginning of the week. Cook a batch of hard-boiled or scrambled eggs and store them in the fridge for quick assembly each morning. Opt for whole grain bread to add valuable fiber and ensure sustained energy throughout your day. This simple swap makes a big difference. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, protein-packed egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.